Many years ago, there was an old man walking across the field in the evening.
He had worked hard over the years and had developed a large lump on his back.
As he walked along, he stopped because he heard the sound of voices singing.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and he realized it was the fairies singing and they had forgotten the last day of the week. He called out,
my friends, the word you cannot remember is Sunday. There was laughing, and then appearing in front of him, he saw the king of the fairies.
Old man, thank you for helping us with our song. We're very grateful. We will give you a gift. You shall have gold, diamonds and jewellery.
No, I would not like anything. I am happy just to have helped you.
You must take something.
No.
We will give you a gift.
With this announcement, the king of fairies disappeared.
The old man stood still. Next, he began to shake and shiver. He became hot. He became cold. And then all of a sudden,
he felt so much better, so much younger, and he started to walk back to the village.
On his way, he met another old man from the village who looked at him and asked,
what happened to you?
I met the fairies and I helped them with their song. They gave me jewellery and gold, but I wouldn't take it.
What? You didn't take the gold?
No.
Well, you're a fool. You wouldn't get me turning down a reward like that, so get out of my way.
The grumpy old man pushed past the old man. He headed for the field where the fairies were known to live.
Soon he came to the same place and heard too.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and
Fairies, you silly fairies. The word you are missing is Sunday. I finished your rhyme. Now where is my reward?
In front of him appeared the king of fairies.
You say reward? Yes, yeah. My friend was here and helped you with the song. You offered him gold and jewels, but he didn't take them because he is a fool. Well, I'm not so silly. I want what my friend left behind.
The king of the fairies looked at him and said,
very well,
and then faded away.
The grumpy old man stood still. Next, he began to shake and shiver.
He became hot. He became cold. And then all of a sudden, he found the fairies had given what his friend had left behind, because now he had 2 hops and walked like a fairy from the old